Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwashina Oyeniran. In this video, I will be talking about breadth first search algorithm, which is another type of search algorithm. In my previous videos, I've discussed the linear search, the binary search, and the depth first search algorithm. So in this video, this is a breadth first search algorithm which is very close to depth first search algorithm. In depth first search algorithm, I told you that it's going to start from the root node, then move to the adjacent, let's say B, then D, then backtrace because this is all these are already visited, which is A, B, C, then backtrace to A, then pick the next one C, E, and F. But in breadth first search algorithm, the case is different. It's actually going to start from the root node, then go to the next node which is B, to the next one which is C, to the next one which is D, to the next one which is E, then F. So this is how this type of search work, and that is why it is called breadth first search algorithm, because starting from the root node then to the breadth like this and like this. So I have a snippet here that I'll be using for an example. Actually the same one from our previous video. If you have not watched my previous video, I implore you to do so. So I'm going to show you this snippet here. Now this is the snippet. I have a toy star, and in my toy star I have a lot of toys there. So this is what I have, and these are the nodes. So let's see how it's going to traverse through this node. You see A, B, D, F. So this is our breadth first search algorithm. So if this is the first time you are watching my video, I strongly recommend that you watch all my previous videos, subscribe so that we have access to all of my other videos. You can turn on the notification bell as well. That will help you to know immediately I uploaded a video. You can as well share this video with your loved ones. They're going to like it. They're the fundamentals of computer science. So in my next video, I'll be talking about another type of search algorithm. Watch out for my next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification.